Right then, that's the throttle body off, so that's banging. As you can see, it's quite dirty. I'm almost contemplating painting it, just giving it a bit of a sand down and painting it, but I'm sure you lot will tell me otherwise. Please do. Obviously I'm going to completely cover that section to not interfere with that valve there, so that's cool. To me, I don't know if anyone can tell me differently, because maybe this is how they sit anyway. I didn't imagine they would sit like that unless that's works as like an automatic choke. Again, I'm not a mechanic, I'm not an engineer or anything like that. Is that supposed to sit like that? Or is it supposed to sit flush like that so you can't see through? If anyone could let me know on that, that'd be absolutely banging. So like I say, I'm going to get the whole thing cleaned. I'm almost contemplating as well if I could replace these screws because they're just rusted on his out. Getting one of these new sensors, it's about, I think it's about 120 quid, so I can't really warrant that if that's still working fine, but I could probably take these out, give them a bit of a wide brush, maybe put them in some white vinegar or something for like 12 hours and then just put them back in, or maybe even spray them. So who knows, but yeah, I'm going to get this a good clean. As you can see, there's quite a bit of shit. I've already sprayed some stuff in there just to get a good wipe down. I'm just letting it soak up at the minute, so there you go. So we're on it, but yeah, we're certainly getting there.